Hello everyone. Meet the send daily updates to the Manager Odoo app designed to help a team share a daily progress effortlessly. Team manager can log their tasks, achievements, and challenges, giving manager a clear overview of their performance. This improves communication, boosts productivity, and keeps everyone aligned. Let's see how it works. After installing this module, let's get into the settings. Now, in the settings under the timesheet, where you can see an option to enable an employee automatic timesheet send. Once enabled, they need to set an appropriate time zone and as well as the time to ensure that the timesheet mail are automatically sent to the manager on the daily basis. So in this field we need to add a time and in this field we need to add a time zone. Now after completing the configuration, let's get into the employees where you can see in three employees where the first one will be the admin. Now let's get into the second one. So this is a Vaibhav. So this person will be under Pal's control. So this person will be the manager, and here you can see a manager will be the Paul for Vivian too. Now, once the employee setup done, let's create a timesheet. So we have an already a list of timesheet for those two employees. Let's get into that. So where you can see an employee-wise timesheet, where you can see there are three timesheet for Viable and also three timesheet for Vivian. Okay, so already we have set up in the configuration. It will send a mail at 12. Now it's 12:11. So there is a scheduled action to send all the daily based reminders. So here you can see a scheduled action will be available. So based on that, it will send an email. Let's get into the emails and check. So where you can see an timesheet report of the employee will be sent. This is a mail where you can see a report of today and you can see the employee name, employee ID, department, hours that they have spent the overall hours and per task hours with the project task everything as well as the description also there in this too. So like the same way it will show an employee for other employee as well. So this is to Paul. So Paul is the manager, so the Paul can see employee these two employees timesheet. So it will send a mail automatically to Paul based on the time schedule which we have done. And also, let's get into the timesheet to see the reports. Now, in this, let's get into the reporting where you can see an employee timesheet report. Now, in this, we need to add a start date, end date, and here we need to select a list of employees to which employee we need a report. Now, let's generate the PDF. So, once we have generated the PDF, it will generate a PDF report for an employee Vivo and also for women where we can see the date, project, task, description, time spent, and we can see the overall time spent for each and every person for all the project. So where you can see and date period and the timesheet period can also be seen here on the top. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.